Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Proton VPN on Windows for privacy basics, beginner guide step by step clearly. Download the Proton VPN installer from the official Proton VPN website. Locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to accept the terms and conditions. Choose the destination folder for the installation, or leave it as the default. Click the Install button to start the installation of Proton VPN. Once the installation is complete, launch the Proton VPN application. Create a Proton account if you do not already have one by selecting the Sign Up option. If you have an account, enter your login credentials in the appropriate fields. After logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of the Proton VPN application. To connect to a VPN server, click on the Quick Connect button. To choose a specific server, click on the Countries tab. Browse the list of available countries and select one of the servers. Click on the server you want to connect to, then hit the Connect button. Once connected, you will see a notification confirming the secure connection. To adjust privacy settings, click on Settings in the application menu. Under the VPN section, enable the Kill Switch feature for added security. Next, enable Secure Core if you want enhanced privacy routing. You can also adjust the protocol settings under Advanced if necessary. After configuring settings, exit the Settings menu to return to the main screen. To disconnect from the VPN, click the Disconnect button on the dashboard. This completes the configuration of Proton VPN for basic privacy on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.